Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen how we can create the class in the TypeScript. Now we will go further deep into the classes thing. Apart from creating a class, we can also create our own methods in the class also. For example, here I can have one describe method. Okay, so the method in a class can be declared like this: describe. So there will be no colon or something like is equal to function like this. We will be not declaring. So simply open and close brackets, and here curly braces it will be having. So like this we will be declaring methods in the TypeScript class. Now here I can just write console.log department is something. We will print the name. So in order to access the properties that are present in this class, in order to access that one, we cannot directly access using the name like this here. So we will be accessing only with this dot name. This refers to that class. Okay, you need to remember this one. This refers to that class. So we need to print this class name. So that means, so this name means we need to use it as this dot name. Okay, like this we will be implementing. And now, so this is how we can declare the method in the TypeScript class. Now what I will try to do is I will try to call here. So now I can call it something like department dot describe. Okay, so if I use department dot describe, if I see the output here, now I can see his department is accounting. Accounting is the object what I have created with that constructor name, and the method it is executed, something like this. Okay, so like this we can create. And you already know, like in the vanilla JavaScript, this is a little bit of tricky in JavaScript. So in the TypeScript also same, this is be also a little bit of tricky. For example, let's see, I will be creating some let account copy. Okay, I will be creating that department copy. Okay, the copy, instead of creating a new object, I will create something like, I will create a method, so which will be something like department dot describe. I think you are getting my point. So here I have created object in such a way that I created a name variable with the department copy, and this consists of an object of with one property describe. And remember this one, I am not calling the directly the method, we are not calling. So just we are calling the reference of that method. So department dot describe without brackets, I am calling the reference. So I am not calling this one. Now if I call here department copy dot describe, what could be the output? Will it execute this one? Let's check. If I check here, it has executed, but we got the name as undefined. Okay, so here this dot name is not described. So that means, so when we create a new department of accounting using this class, nothing but JavaScript, what it will do, it will create an object. So something like object, it will create this one like this. Okay, now we are calling this department dot describe method. So here also I am using department copy dot describe method, but I don't have the name in that object. Okay, so one thing what we can do is this type of tricky thing. So something like what we can say, outside people, if they are calling this describe method like this, creating object like this, and if they are calling like this, somehow we need to throw an error. Okay, so here, but here in the TypeScript this is not throwing an error. Okay, but we need to throw an error. So if we need to throw an error, we can add a special argument in this describe. Okay, we can, in the TypeScript only we can add a special argument in this describe, so this parameter. Okay, so there is no need for us to pass this thing to the class. Here we cannot, there is no need for us to pass this thing. But here if you add this here, so TypeScript is a special keyword, a special syntax here. So TypeScript will understand that, okay, in this object there is a need of this. So that means, so this is used in this in this function, so that I need to know whatever these things are used here. So must and should, that object should has those things. For example, here I am using this dot name. So that means whoever the object calling this method should have a name property. Okay, so like this it will think. So now I can give here the type something like this, what should be of type this should be of department. Okay, what is the department? Department is nothing but this class. Automatically what it has raised, so here we got an error. Why? Because department, this context of type describe this dot is not accessible to the methods this of type department, it is saying. So this is not a department object. Department object consists of two things. One property is name and another one is describe method. But here it is having only describe method. So that means this doesn't belongs to the department object. Okay, in order to become this department object, what we can do? We need to include name as some dummy thing. Okay. Now if you see name as Leela and department as this, now automatically the error has gone away. See. Now for example, if you want to know more things, so for example, if I print this department here and if I department copy, if I print it here, both are one and the same only, but the data will be different. Okay, if I refresh it here, you'll be able to see that this is the department which is created by using new operator with the class we have created. So this one is having one name, accounting, and a function it will be having, and here you will be having the same thing. In the prototype you will be having the describe function. Okay, so this describe function will be created in the prototypes. Remember, the class prop methods and all those things will be created in the prototype. Don't think that it is not there, the method is not there. But here the object, we have a describe method, so which is present in this prototype. We can also present in that there also we can also present, and also we have a name. So this object and this object is one and the same only. If you understand, this object is one and the same. So that means that department which is created by using new operator and the department copy which I have created physically is one and the same. So that is the reason department copy dot describe didn't throw any error. Okay. Now here this dot name. So if we execute here, what could be the output? Here I got this one as department is Leela and here department is accounting. So that means this is referred to name Leela here in this department copy and this is referred to accounting in this one. Okay. So this is the way. This could be a little bit of tricky. Now you got a doubt that I don't have this name and all those things. I want to call this department of describe thing. So I will pass the this you can think. So we can know that we can pass the this to the function by using bind, call, and apply parameters. We know it. Reflect, we using the reflect also. We have seen in the ES6 we have seen the reflect thing, and we can also use the bind thing also. So for example, if I want to call the bind thing is dot bind, you can call here, and we need to pass the this here. Okay, this what I will be passing is department. So we have the department object, right? So I will pass this department. Now also there is no error, see, and I will tell it as execute. Now what could be the output? If I see here, now we got the department is equal to same thing we got. So in this way, so we have users functionalities like this. Okay, so this in this way we can use the bind and all those things like this. Okay, this is how this works in the TypeScript. Not in the TypeScript, in the vanilla JavaScript, anywhere this in a class works like this. Okay, if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video so that I will give you the reply. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.